Jai Hind students. Today I am going to discuss few questions of exemplar book, one of which is written on the board. Let x be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if n represents any member of x, express the set in which n belongs to x but 2n does not belong to x. So it is quite clear in the question that we have to make one set and one such set in which the element should contain in this and the twice of that element should not be in this set. So let us say first it is given that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to create a set in which n belongs to x but 2n does not belongs to x. So let us say we are taking a set x, a set A is equal to x such that x belongs to x but 2x does not belongs to x. This is what we have to create. It means we will check for each and every element of this set x, and that each and every element, when we will check for this, we will find what we have to represent. So say, if this x is a member from these, suppose if x is equal to 1, then 2x is equal to 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. Now see, this 2 is also in this set. So 2 belongs to x. It means our set A, it will not include this element. So 1 does not belong to A. Similarly, we will check for x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, that means 2x is equal to 4. Now this 4 is in this set as well. So 4 belongs to x. We have to find such element the twice of which does not belong to this set. So 4 also belongs to x. This means this 2 does not belongs to A. Now if x is equal to 3, 2x will be 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Again this 6 is in the same set. So 6 belongs to x. Again this 3 will not belong to A. Now if we will check for x is equal to 4, what we will get? 2x is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now this 8 does not belongs to x. You can say 8 is not in this set. So what we are trying to find? We are trying to find any element whose twice is not in the set. We have got the first element. The twice of this element is not in the set. So this 4 will belong to A. Now we will check for x is equal to 5. Again we will get 2x is equal to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10, and 10 is also not in that set. So 5 will also belong to A. Now we'll check for x is equal to 6. What we will get? 2x is equal to 6 into 2, which is equal to 12, and again this 12 does not belongs to x. So this 6 will also belongs to A. 6 will also belongs to A. So we have got three elements, 4, 5 and 6, which is belonging to A. So the answer will be A is equal to 4, 5 and 6. Let me repeat the whole solution first. Let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a set which we have to operate. Set x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have to find a set in which the element should be in the same, but the twice of that element should not be in this set. So we have checked for each and every element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we have done the twice of 1, we get 2. 2 is in the set, so that 1 will not belong to our set. Again for 2 we have done the same experiment. For 3 also we have done the same experiment. For 4 also we have done. But when we come to 4, we found that twice of 4 is 8, and that 8 is not in this set. So our motto which we have to find, n belongs to x but 2n does not belongs to x. So we found the first element that x does not belong, 8 does not belongs to x, and then we calculated for 5, we calculated for 6, and at the end we found that these 3 elements which belong to the set but their twice is not in this set. So this is the answer.